Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics out of the way so Game Center can work reliably. Sign in with your Apple ID and enable Game Center in Settings. This links achievements and friends to your account. Once signed in, choose a clear nickname. This is what others see in multiplayer. Make sure your device is updated and two-factor authentication is enabled for smoother invites and syncing, because outdated software or security blocks are the most common hiccups. Now you build the social layer that makes Game Center useful. Add friends from your profile, send invites through messages, or use email so you can join games together. Once done, tweak privacy and multiplayer settings to control who can invite or spectate you. This prevents unwanted matches. Also enable achievements and leaderboards per game so your progress and scores sync. These settings explain why some games show shared progress while others don't. Finish by actually joining games and confirming everything runs. Use the Game Center overlay or an app's multiplayer menu to accept invites or enter matchmaking. Make sure mic and permissions are allowed for voice chat. When a game starts, watch leaderboards and achievements sync automatically. If you can't connect, try one key troubleshooting step first. Sign out of Game Center, reboot your device, then sign back in. This often clears session errors and restores matchmaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.